Welcome back to our mini webinar series. My name is Sylvan Meyer, and today it is my pleasure to introduce you to our new troubleshooting tool. To access the tool, you simply need to go on our MELAG website. On the website, on the top, you have the section Service. By clicking on Service, you see the function Troubleshooting. By clicking on this button, you will be led directly to the tool. To make this video a little bit more interesting and more accessible, we have prepared a short video clip that shows you the main feature of the troubleshooting tool. Please have a look and enjoy the video clip. So I hope you have enjoyed this short video clip on the troubleshooting tool. I still want to have a little practical input also from my side, so we go through it live in this webinar. We select the device type. In our example here, we can choose the washer disinfector, Melatherm 10, and we simply enter the error code. Here it is 327, and then we click on Show. And we will be provided with the error, so the error will be described, and also a solution, a customized solution will be generated. So the troubleshooting tool helps us with just a few clicks to identify an error and also to generate a practical solution to the error. This has already been it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this webinar on the troubleshooting tool. We are very much looking forward to welcome you in one of our next video, and the next video in this series will be on the Download Center. I hope to see you soon, and goodbye for now.